Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 4. Question number 4 is here you see Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to rupees 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? We'll solve in this way. Increase 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 in price of the car, increase in price, increase in price, increase in price increase in price increase in price of the car is equal to rupees 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000 minus 3,50,000 You subtract this one, that is 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000 that is 0 0 0 0 5 plus 2 7, that is 20,000 comes to rupees 20,000 right. Increase in price of the car is rupees 20,000. Therefore percentage increase, therefore percentage increased percentage is equal to increased percentage increased percentage is equal to increase in price increase in price by original price increase in price by original price into 100% into 100%. Now increase in price is rupees 20,000 and original price was 3,50,000 into 100% into 100%. Now if you cut this one, this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0, this 0 will also be cut and this 0 will also be cut, right. Now it is 200 by 35. Now if we divide this by 5, we are getting 5 7 is 35 and it is 5 4 is 20, that is 40 by 7. If we divide 40 by 7, we are getting 5 7 is 35, 40 minus 35 is 5. We are getting 5 whole 5 by 7. We are getting 5 whole 5 by 7%. This is 5 whole 5 by 7%. That is the increase in percentage, right? Hence, percentage of price increased is 5 whole 5 by 7%. Hence, 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 percentage of price increase. Hence, percentage of price increase. Percentage of price increase is 5 whole 5 by 7%. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.